Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set yourself up on the Echelon spin bike. So I'm a shorty, but what you wanna do is you wanna stand next to the bike and you want the seat to be at your hip level. So my hip's a little lower, so I'm gonna adjust this seat down a little bit, and you can kind of hear it click. You hear it click? I'm gonna go all the way down because I am a bit of a shorty and I like to be a little bit back on that bike. So there, I'd like to thank Echelon for sending this to me review. I really do appreciate it. Now to get in it, this seat, what you want on this seat is you want this front leg to come into a 90-degree angle. You want at least a 90-degree, if not a little higher. So even for me, I also like to be a little bit back more. So I might actually put this seat back just a tap, just to get a little bit more range here for myself. So I like to be back a little bit more. There we go, let's just pull this back. And then you're gonna set it. So again, so this is gonna be a good set for me because I wanna be set when I'm riding this way, right? Good form, make sure your shoulders are relaxed, drop your shoulders wherever you're gonna set them, whether you're standing or sitting. So again, thank you, Echelon.